The next to interpolate is Congressman Paolo Ortega. You have
Thank
10
you,
minutes.
Mr. Chair. I have a few questions to the former Senator, Senator Trillanes. Former Senator Trillanes, sino po sa pagkakakilala nyo si Charlie Tan? Ano pong personalidad niya?
Based dun sa ano po, no, ang mga sources po namin dito when we profiled him is yung testimony po, yung interview rather ni Mr. Las Cañas, yung kanyang affidavit, then yung ano po, yung report ni privilege speech rather ni Senator Ping Lacson. He was identified as one of the big players, and his name was also mentioned in the text messages of Mr. Mark Taguba. Tapos through our other informants, talagang big player siya ng smuggling, at ang dynamic nila, as mentioned by Mr. Las Cañas, si Paulo Duterte ang kapartner niya si Charlie Tan. Si Michael Yang naman ang kapartner si Duterte. So, tapos si Charlie Tan ang nagpapacilitate ng entry ng mga substances, yung mga chemicals na gagamitin for shabu manufacturing. Then eventually, nung nag-importation na sila ng whole scale, doon na sila sa customs nag-ooperate, Mr. Chairman.
So, Mr. Chair, former Senator, we can say that Charlie Tan is directly involved. Kumbaga, big fish po siya. Big time player po talaga dito sa, can you say, smuggling and drug trade, Mr. former Senator?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Sinabi nga ni Las Cañas, sila yung triumvirate. Si Charlie Tan, Sammy Uy, and Michael Yang. During those times na hindi pa puputok itong mga pangalan na ito, doon niya nakita ito. 2001 sila nagsimula ng partnership. From what I heard, or what Mr. Las Cañas told us, nagsimula ito nung medyo nanganib yung return ni Duterte nung 2001 elections. So, naganap siya ng pondo. Ito yung mga nagpondo sa kanya. And he was well aware that these are drug lords. So, doon siya nagsimula ng partnership nila. So, itong tatlo po na ito, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, former Senator. Mr. Chair, I would like to ask sana yung PNP or NBI or PIDEA, if is Charlie Tan a familiar name? Is he on the list? Ano pong pagkatao niya o pagkakakilala niyo sa kanya? I guess we can ask PIDEA, Mr. Chair.
No, we will check on that personality, sir. We will dig in our records.
Do we still have representatives from LRA and AMLAC? Wala na po ba? Wala na.
You're looking for a PNP representative?
LRA or AMLAC,
LRA.
Mr. Chair?
Okay. Ang LRA and AMLAC has already left, Your Honor.
Then I'll just raise the question in the air, Mr. Chair, na siyempre kailangan natin makita kung ano po yung pagkatao nitong si Charlie Tan and with regards to his properties, yung mga negosyo niya, at definitely yung pagkatao niya, Mr. Chair, we have to ask. And I'll take advantage of the presence of Mr. Abellera, Mr. Chair. Sir Abellera po, ano pong pagkakakilala nyo kay Charlie Tan? Do you know him personally or is he an acquaintance? Ano pong buong pagkatao niya if you know him, sir?
Good evening. Kasama ko siya dati. Kainuman, kabarkada.
Barkada po, sir. So, would you happen to know if this allegations thrown at him, yung mga issues po na nababato sa kanya, are you familiar with this or may pagkakataon na napadaan na sa inyo itong mga ganitong pangyayari? Mr. Abilera?
Matagal ko na siyang hindi nakakasama dahil simula 2017 yata. 2017, nung nagkaroon kami ng ano sa Senate, hindi na ho kami nagasama nila Congressman Paulo Duterte.
Mr. Chair, Ginoong Abilera. So, ngayon po, sa punto na ngayon, wala na po kayong idea kung nasaan siya, anong ginagawa niya, or anong balita tungkol sa kanya?
Ang alam ko po nasa Davao, pero hindi ko alam kung, hindi na ho kami nagkakita eh. Bira na ho.
If he's still in Davao, Mr. Chair, nabigyan na po ba tayo ng pagkakataon para imbitahin si Mr. Charlie Tan, Mr. Chair?
Yes, we have already sent invitation to Mr. Charlie Tan twice. Yung last natin was a show cause order. Is that correct, Comsec? Did we issue a show cause order kay Mr. Charlie Tan? If I remember correctly, nung last hearing, we already issued a show cause order for him.
At least meron pa tayong bawi.
Then if he's in Davao, Mr. Chair, I think we should get help from not only local authorities, but as well as our national authorities na, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Comsec, please coordinate with the Philippine National Police in the area to locate Mr. Charlie Tan.
Because I'm sure he's going to be a vital resource person. Not only a resource person, but a vital actor in our hearings, Mr. Chair. So yun lang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Congressman Ortega. Next to interpolate is Congressman Zia Adyong. Since Congressman Adyong is not present, Congressman Flores.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tapos ako na. Invite lang ako. Mr. Chair, before I start with the specific questions, I just have a